Is the market becoming more balanced? That's what I want to talk about in this video. Let's break it down. Over the past few years, sellers had all the power. Now, with rising inventory and higher mortgage rates, we're seeing fewer bidding wars and longer days on the market. Buyers are getting more room to negotiate, something we haven't seen for a long while. With that said, there are many areas in Silicon Valley that tend to continuously have the opportunity for bidding wars because that's where the housing crisis comes in for Silicon Valley. It tends that we don't have enough houses on the market to fill the demand. So the places that have the most desire, the places that people want to be, those are the places that when the house goes on the market, they're going to get multiple offers out of the gate almost, it seems. So a couple of things that tend to be the case right now. More homes staying on the market longer, fewer over-asking offers, price reductions becoming more common. Sometimes they're not always realistic about where that price needs to be set. And that comes down a lot of times to strategy, like I've said a million times before. If you look from the buyer's and the seller's perspective, if you've been waiting for the frenzy to cool down, this might be your time. More inventory means more choices, and you may even be able to negotiate for closing costs or repairs. You can negotiate a little more, but it doesn't tend to be quite a buyer's market at this point. From the seller's perspective, it's still a good time to sell, but pricing correctly is key. Overpricing will leave your home sitting on the market. Well-presented homes in great locations are still moving quickly. Well-presented homes in the nice locations tend to go the fastest, and those are the first places that the buyers go to find a home, and then they'll kind of go out from that area until they find a home that suits their needs. So if we're looking in the future, where are we heading? Experts do predict a continued shift towards balance, but no major crash. Interest rates will play a huge role. If they do drop, expect more buyers to jump in. This is where it comes into, as a buyer, it makes sense to purchase a home when it's time to buy. Don't wait in line for the market to crash. In the stock market, we do see in a correction every now and again, and sometimes it corrects pretty fast. It's going to take a number of months, and then if you're on the sideline waiting, by the time the market starts to jump back in, you're standing back in line and you're waiting. You're waiting for the house is going to accept your offer over top of another 30 offers. I've seen it time and time again. So when it's time to buy, it's time to buy. When it's time to sell, it's time to sell. And as a buyer, you want to purchase when you are ready to purchase. That could be the funds coming from someone. That could be the job that you've been waiting for. It could be maybe you're looking to buy up because your home now is too small. So there's all sorts of different things we can do and create a strategy around that for you. Bottom line, what it all boils down to is just absolutely critical for sellers to have the right pricing and presentation. Things are going to settle down, and we will be back into a very strong seller's market soon. It seems that the unfortunate aspect is once we get back to that strong seller's market, that's when the multiple offers continue, and this housing crisis is going to continue even stronger than it has. So please, tell me what you think. I'm always here and happy to help. Please like and subscribe. If you are a buyer and you've been looking to purchase a home, and if you're a seller and you've tried to sell, and I want to hear your comments as well, whether they're victory stories or whether they are absolute painful stories, please post it, comment. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.